Welcome to Dynamic LED, and thank you for choosing us for your lighting project. Your new system was designed to bring beauty, flexibility, and ease of use to your home. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use your remote so you can enjoy every feature with confidence. Your remote may look slightly different from the one shown here. It may be a 4-zone remote, an 8-zone remote, or even a 100-zone remote. This demonstration uses a 4-zone remote, but the basic operation is very similar across all models. At the bottom of the remote, you'll see your zone controls. On a 4-zone remote, that means 4 separate numbered buttons. Each zone has an on button and an off button. For example, if you press the off button for zone 1, the lights assigned to zone 1 will turn off. Press the on button for zone 1, and those lights will turn back on. The same applies to each additional zone. So, if you turn off zone 2, only the lights assigned to zone 2 will turn off. At the top of the remote, you'll also see an on button and an off button. These control all zones at the same time. So, if all your lights are currently on and you press off at the top, everything turns off. If you press on, everything turns back on. And now, you're also controlling all zones together. That's important, because when all zones are selected, any color change you make will apply to the entire system. For example, if you press on and then select blue, all of the lights will turn blue. But if you want to control only one area, you can select an individual zone instead. Let's say you press the on button for zone 1. Now zone 1 is active. If you select red, only zone 1 changes to red while the other zones stay the same. If you then select zone 2 and choose green, only zone 2 will change. This gives you the flexibility to either control the whole lighting system at once or customize each area individually. If you press on again to go back to all zones and then press the W button, all of the lights turn white. The color wheel is used to choose colors, and the W button is what changes the lights to white. You can also adjust the color temperature of the white light. On the remote, you'll see 2 moon icons, one with a minus sign and one with a plus sign. These buttons let you move between warm white and cool white. If your lights are currently on cool white and you press and hold the minus moon button, the white tone will gradually become warmer. If you press and hold the plus moon button, it will move back toward cool white. You don't have to go all the way to one extreme or the other. You can stop anywhere in between to find the look you like best. Now, let's talk about color saturation. If you choose a color like blue and it looks soft, faded, or more pastel than expected, that usually means the saturation setting has been adjusted. To bring the color back to a deeper, richer tone, press and hold the minus moon button until the color returns to its true shade. So, if the blue looks washed out, just hold the minus button and you'll see it become darker and more vivid again. This works the same way with other colors as well. Another situation you might notice is that your lights don't appear to match perfectly when switching back to white. For example, one zone may look warmer while another looks cooler. That's completely normal and easy to fix. Just press on so you're controlling all zones, then press W for white. From there, press and hold either the minus or plus moon button until all zones match at the white tone you want. And finally, the M button stands for mode. When you press M, the system cycles through 9 different built-in color-changing modes, each creating a different lighting effect. To adjust the speed of a mode, press and hold the plus button to make it change faster, or press and hold the minus button to slow it down. And that's it. Your new dynamic LED lighting system is designed to be both beautiful and easy to use. With just a few buttons, you can control individual zones, change colors, adjust white tones, and create the perfect look for any occasion. We hope you enjoy the beauty, flexibility, and convenience of your new lighting system. Thank you again for choosing Dynamic LED. If you ever need anything, our team is always here to help.